Hey, it's Maher, and in front of me I have a 2019 Kia Sedona. This is actually a viewer requested video on a very specific model of the Sedonas. So like any manufacturer, you'll have the type of car, the Sedona being of course the passenger minivan for Kia. And within those models, you'll find different trim options, base model, fully loaded, kind of halfway in the middle. This particular one is an LX Plus, so step and a half above from a base, couple steps below the fully loaded. It's great bang for your buck right in the middle of features and options. So 3.3 liter V6 engine, enough towing capacity for I think 5,000 pounds. So if you want to tow a little bit of a what is it called? A tent trailer, a boat towing thing, a boat trailer, this is what you call it, small U-Haul. It's got that. But again, because it is a larger size passenger vehicle, that 3.3 liter V6 engine is going to give you the power to, of course, transport all those passengers when it's full. Pop that down, and simply enough, pull on this and pop it down. Some manufacturers would call that stow and go seating. I think that might be a registered trademark of some other brand, so I'm not going to use that, even though I might have just done so. Push this button right here. You hear the beep. So, hatch closes up. And that pretty much is the first look at a 2019 Kia Sedona. If you have any questions on the Sedona or on this model or any other models, or you want to see something specific, I don't know, hit me up, send me a question, send me a message, leave a comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.